And this is our live Chakra Attunement. It is Saturday, what is it? The 2nd of November, 2024. And we are in Scorpio season with a new moon yesterday. So things can be really deep now. We can go deeper and get things cleared out. That's always a good thing. And it's probably really good to be a little bit patient these days and stop before you react. And one of the best ways to do that is to breathe consciously. So we are breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing. And we do like to use that Samavritti breath to begin with, and that is where we consciously start to measure the inhales and the exhales with a pause at the top of the inhale and a pause at the bottom of the exhale. Using this Samavritti breath can kind of help you kind of stay balanced and centered in the moment. So as you really continue to focus on your breath, you might have to stretch your body a little bit and just shake things out, your hands, your feet, just kind of shake off the energy of the morning, going back to the breath, focusing on the breathing. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing. And you can use your mind to shape your breath by counting the length of the inhale, pausing, counting the length of the exhale, pausing. And so you use your mind to shape it by making sure the length of the inhale and the length of the exhale are the same. Breathing in, breathing out, coming back to the breath. Focusing on the breath and noticing what you notice. So you can watch your thoughts, loosen them up. If you're watching your thoughts, they can start to just be there. You can observe them rather than being carried away by your thoughts. So breathing in and out loosens up the hold that the thoughts have, the loops of the thinking, the over and over of the same thing, loosens up the hold that the emotions have, because you can notice what you notice. I'm feeling this way, I'm feeling that way. The feelings are things I have, they're not me. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing, breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing, and giving yourself that time to create that rhythmic Samavritti breath, focusing on the breath and noticing thoughts, noticing feelings, noticing sensations, and reminding yourself, I'm not my body, I'm not my thoughts, I'm not my feelings, I'm something more, connecting to that something more, that essence, that eternal aspect of you. Breathing in, breathing out. By practicing in this way, you can let go of taking yourself so seriously in every moment. Let go of the stories that you rope yourself into, believing that this is you, this is your opportunities, this is how you are, this is how the world is, so on and so forth. You can let go and observe. Breathing in, breathing out. And from that place of observation, you have an opportunity to recognize the energies, the frequencies, the vibrations around us, and move yourself to the highest frequency. Where your focus goes, energy goes. So in a sense, we're like turning on the radio, and with all the choices of channels and things that are out there, we're focusing on the channel that we want to strengthen, the frequency that we want to strengthen. Breathing in, breathing out. I am what I am, and what I am is spirit in form. I am what I am, and what I am is spirit in form. And my frequency is divine harmony. In my work, there is divine harmony. In my world, there is divine harmony. In my relationships, there is divine harmony. My frequency is divine harmony. Breathing in, breathing out. So remembering we're in this time of high manifestation, tremendous amount of high energy frequency coming into the planet. We're having to adjust our bodies to that, to receive. The best way I know how to be able to balance this incredible energy coming in is taking some time to consciously breathe, taking some time to be out in nature, to be still, breathing in, breathing out. And remember that thoughts, emotions, the body, these are not you. They are things that you have. Breathing in, breathing out. And so, to begin with our chakra attunement today, we surround the body in a container of light below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left of the body. Breathing in, pausing, breathing out, pausing. And visualizing, imagining, making that container of light real, encompassing your physical body and your subtle bodies and your auric field. So it's about 4 feet all the way around the body, below, above, in front, behind. Breathing in, breathing out. And we can start to drop our attention or our focus to the energy centers in the body, the chakras that bring in the chi force and distribute it to our organs, throughout our body, throughout our subtle bodies as well. So it's a great way to give yourself a few minutes to align your energies. Straightening the spine, focusing now your attention onto the root chakra at the tailbone, the pelvic floor, down the right leg, down the left leg, breathing in and breathing out. So bringing in that red energy that connects with the root chakra. You visualize it. You think of it in nature, maybe red roses or pomegranates. Those are getting really big on the trees now here in Northern California. So just thinking red, breathing in, breathing out, getting a feel for that vibration, getting a feel for your root chakra. To wake it up, to activate it, we use an exercise of a couple of low-toned ohms, very low, where we visualize the red and the place in the body and the energy spreading down the legs, grounding to the new healed whole Mother Earth through the bottoms of your feet. And then Lam, Lam, Lam. That's the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. So let's try that. Lam, Lam, Lam. And drawing the breath in, the low-toned Om for the exercise, Lam for the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra. Just feeling the resonance of that deep sound settling into the root, grounding yourself to the new healed whole Mother Earth. Breathing in and opening, moving your consciousness up to the second chakra at the navel area. This one's orange in color vibration. It's a medium-toned Om, and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra is Vam. And moving your consciousness up to the solar plexus chakra, personal power, sense of self-worth, well-being, breathing up to that third chakra. It's yellow in color. It's up there, kind of like right below the breastbone and the edge of the first rib cage, wraps around, includes your adrenals. Yellow, just begin to focus on yellow and imagine just drawing in the yellow vibration of the sun or all the yellow squashes that are out there now, just breathing that in and out. And it's a higher toned Om to wake it up and activate it, and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ram with an R and an M. Ready? Om, Ram, 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 Om. Take a slow, deep breath and feel them red, orange, yellow, spinning right in the center of the trunk of the body, the hips on either side, the kidneys on either side, the adrenals there on either side, just feeling yourself balanced and rooted to the new healed Mother Earth. And we breathe in deeply. That is the sound of the heart. So go ahead, just keep breathing in, opening the jaw, releasing that sound of Yum, yum. Breathing in and breathing out. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. The green energy. Yum is the Sanskrit mantra that goes with the heart sound of Ah. And the green energy, healing energy, spreading from the heart, love and acceptance. Yum. 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 Yum, 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 yum. Heart chakra, center of the chest. Bridge between those first three that are grounding you to the earth. So we took a lot of time with that today so you can feel balanced and grounded here in your body as you expand into this energy. And from the green heart, we come to the blue throat. So we do the lion breath, H-U-M, tongue coming out to the chin, paws flaring up, blue of the sky. Hum, 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 hum. One syllable Sanskrit mantra is hum as well, but we chant it. Hum, 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 hum. So maybe another one of those lion breath exercises to help open the throat and clear the throat. You want to be able to communicate from the heart in a balanced, grounded, thoughtful place. Hum, hum, and the chant again. Hum, 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 hum. From that broad blue of the sky, we go up to indigo, the night sky, the deep twilight indigo color. Third eye, the sound of the third eye exercise is a high-pitched ee, and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham, as you visualize that indigo, like deep sapphire sky. Ready? Sham, 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 sham. Let the vibrations just carry through your brain, your third eye. Give your brain a bath, a wash with indigo. Ready? Sham, 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 sham. Crown chakra comes next, the top of the head. That's the violet to the white light. And you imagine as you're making the sound wah, 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 from low to high, that you're just reaching up to spirit, so you can visualize the guides, the guardians, the angels, your galactic connection, your connection to the universe and all things, opening up the crown, feeling grounded in the root. Ready? Wah, 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 wah. And one more time, ready? Wah, 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 wah. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking a moment in stillness with your chakras aligned and connected to set the intention for today. You can turn the hands into prayer pose, palm to palm, Anjali Mudra, or lay them on the heart where you're being sort of still with this energy for the moment. Setting your intention on this day after the new moon. Breathing in and breathing out. The sound that goes with the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra sound that goes with the crown chakra is Om. So we like to use this final Om to resonate with all our chakras, to close our practice today and seal it, and just bring that energy of your intention to be peaceful, to be balanced, to be whole, to be productive, whatever it might be, to just bring that intention out into the vibratory world and to strengthen your ability to stick with that intention, stick with your practice. Ready? Om.